Your free legal checkup. Do you and your family have legal issues? Are you sure? Do you think you need a free legal checkup? Hi, I'm Gene Ferguson. I'm your Downriver family lawyer. My offices are located in Woodhaven and in Wyandotte. I've defended Downriver since 1986. That is, I've helped many good people just like you relative to divorce, criminal, probate, estate planning, and business. I want to help you as well. Your free legal checkup. You and your family have legal issues. Every family does. These issues must be identified. These issues must be solved. I believe I have the wisdom and the experience to identify and solve these issues. I'm Gene Ferguson. I'm your Downriver family lawyer. I want to help you and your family feel more secure. Please call me at 734 775 6656. Thanks a lot for watching, and have a good day.